There's a lot.
Oh, careful, my son.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna slip.
It's muddy over here.
Rosie, good thing you have a stick. Oh my god. Rosie, give it to Dad.
He doesn't want it. Yeah, Dad doesn't want
No.
Do you guys see this? Mom, record your son. He's holding his croquettes up like this.
Đâu, cô cầm rau mất là có chạy cho nên ba mấy tử nè.
Dude, Tyson's holding his croquettes up like a dress.
À.
His sweatpants aren't even that long. That's what Tyson's doing. Tyson's dad, he's wearing his tennis shoes.
Đúng nè. Đúng. Okay, let's keep going.
Put your stick in my shoe. Now my sock is dirty.
Guys, this way. We have to go up.
Up.
Yeah, we have to go up. No, take the straw.
I'm scared that's gonna fall out.
Backpack. There's
Hey,
backpack.
come back over here. Bro, look how tiny my pocket is.
Shana, put it in Dad's backpack. Hello. It's... Say hi.
Hi, guys.
Hi. They're not really enjoying it. These kids are. Giống như nó mà chỉ nhẹ tốt tới than nó liêu.
Macy, Tyson are enjoying this.
À. Nè thế chỉ mà nhẹ tốt rồi cho họ lười nó cha.
Macy ate the berries.
Cho
And Dad ate it too.
tốt tốt cái tốt gì hay rong ra nè, nè thế chỉ mà nhẹ cha xem mà. Ô, giống như nó mà
Mom, we better not get lost.
chỉ nhẹ kia. Oh, your dad's good. They all have like signs. You guys know all the way back, right? Okay, cause your dad should be pretty good. My son, are you enjoying this, my son? Need you care? On your man. Oh, careful. Oh, it's slippery, it's muddy.
We need to walk.
Yeah, we need to walk. When it's dry, then you can run, okay? But it's pretty muddy here. Muddy and slippery. Ooh, scary.
That's so scary.
Now you can run. Đó.